What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. For those of you that are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. So on today's agenda, we're gonna be changing out the bulbs above my license plate on my 2017 STI. To all my subscribers, this cold one is for you. So I'm not sure if you guys could tell the hill assist there was on and it clunks so bad, it sounds horrible. I hate the hill assist. I'm gonna have to do a separate video on that, on how to turn that off, because it's so annoying. I just hate it. All right guys, so today's video is gonna be pretty simple. You could pretty much do it in your pajamas, which is what I'm doing. You could even have your little coffee with it, or you could have your girlfriend do it. So first things first, we're gonna be taking out these clips, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You put the flathead piece
where I did this?
Twist a little bit. Don't break it.
If you go back to my car vlogs, you will see that I did this on my Jeep.
Your Jeep? That's what I didn't want you to do.
You didn't want me to? Was I supposed to pull out the whole thing?
Yeah, but not break it.
I didn't break it.
Just so you understand a little better, this is what it looks like. You're gonna be putting the flathead right in here. Look at this rusty flathead I got. You put it right under here and you twist, and it's gonna open up, and then you pull it out. Now, luckily we don't have to take these 4 out because this bends. So as you can see here, you're gonna have to move this yellow lever down, and then this folds right down like that, making it much easier to work behind here. So now this is one of the bulbs, here's the other one. We're gonna change one of them out so you guys can see what it looks like side by side. This is what I'm gonna be replacing them with. Got them off Subispeed, they're the OLM bulbs, just in case you're wondering. So this is what they look like right here. Now we're gonna plug them in. If they don't work, just flip them because of the polarity and they should work. So put it in one way, it doesn't work, put it in that way. So now with this, we're just gonna twist it to the left and it's gonna fall right down. So here's the old bulb, this is what it looks like. Now we're just gonna plug the new one in. So now before I go ahead and button everything up, I'm gonna go turn on the light, make sure it works, to make sure I don't have to reverse it. All right, there you have it. That's what the new one looks like. Now, just to give you an idea, compared to the stock one, that's what the stock one looks like. Night and day difference. So I'm gonna go ahead, put them in, close the trunk so we can see what they look like. All right, so now that that's down, take that bulb out, pull it out. Well, hold on to the other end. There you go. And put the new one in.
That's a light bulb?
Yeah. Plug it in, plug it in.
That way?
Yeah. So for these clips, you want to have them open like this, and once it's inside the hole, then you want to push this part closed. And that's it, you're all done. It's a pretty simple install. Also, I have this LED, nice bright white in here as well. It really, at night, it shines the trunk up pretty well. It lets you see everything in here, which is pretty random stuff. This is pretty helpful. I don't know if any of you guys have this, but it has some outlets. You could put air in your tires and jumper cables. Come here, you want to do this with me? A little outro? You want to do the outro with me? All right, it's not gonna work, boo. All right guys, so as you can see, that was a very simple install. Now, it makes the rear of the car look a lot better. Instead of that yellowish orange bulb, it's a nice bright white. Get your butt out of my face. It makes it look more, how do you say, like luxurious or not so cheap. So I definitely recommend buying it. You can pick it up at Subispeed. It's not that expensive. And it makes your car look a lot better. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and see you guys on the next one.
Kernels in my teeth.
What is that?
JJ!
What?
I'm gonna get athlete's foot.
But you don't do athletic things.
Shut up. I row in Harvard for the crew team. How many sloths does it take to take out a light bulb?
How many?
One.
It's that boxer life, boo. You like them wheels too?